equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV47 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair process. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and lifting it off. This will give you access to the screws that hold the main body together. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back and sides of the vacuum cleaner. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the two halves of the vacuum cleaner. Be cautious as there may be wires connected between the two halves. If you encounter resistance, double check for any screws you may have missed. Now, locate the motor assembly. It is typically situated at the base of the vacuum cleaner. You will see a few screws securing the motor in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver again, remove these screws. If you find it difficult to access the screws, a flathead screwdriver can help pry open any tight spots. With the screws removed, carefully lift the motor out of its housing. Take a moment to inspect the motor for any signs of wear or damage. If you need assistance diagnosing the issue, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, you will need to replace the motor with a new one. Align the new motor in the same position as the old one and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure it is tightly fitted to avoid any operational issues. Now, let's move on to the ring. The ring is often located around the motor assembly. If it appears worn or damaged, it's essential to replace it to maintain the vacuum's efficiency. Remove the old ring by gently prying it off with your flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to damage the surrounding components. Once the old ring is removed, take your new ring and fit it into place. Ensure it sits snugly around the motor assembly. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. After replacing the ring, it's time to reassemble the vacuum cleaner. Carefully align the two halves of the body and press them together. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring everything is tightly secured. This step is crucial as loose screws can lead to further issues down the line. Finally, before testing your vacuum, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the internal components. This will help maintain the performance of your Dyson SV47. If you prefer, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Once everything is back in place, plug in your vacuum and turn it on to test its functionality. If it runs smoothly, congratulations on completing the motor and ring replacement. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to help you with your vacuum needs. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.